What is paperless office system? A paperless office system is a digital and technology-based approach to managing documents and information within an organization, with the primary objective of reducing or eliminating the reliance on physical paper documents. It involves the conversion of paper documents into digital formats, as well as the adoption of electronic workflows, document management software, and other tools to create, store, organize, and handle information in a digital and paper-free environment. The goal is to streamline business processes, enhance information access and security, and reduce paper-related costs and environmental impact. Challenges to store documents as per traditional system. Storing documents using traditional paper-based systems can present several challenges, which is why many organizations are transitioning to digital or paperless document management systems. Some of the challenges associated with traditional document storage include old versus new. Limited physical space. It means there isn't enough room to store or accommodate physical items or documents adequately. No limitation on cloud storage. Cloud storage provides virtually limitless capacity for data storage and accessibility without the constraints of physical space. Document retrieval challenges. Struggles in quickly finding and accessing specific documents when needed. Instant, one-click document access. Immediate document retrieval with a single click for swift access. Vulnerability to loss or damage. Risk of documents being lost or damaged due to physical format. Digital resilience. Robust protection against data loss or damage in digital storage. Media such as PDF, JPG, PNG, TIFF, etc. Inefficiency and manual processes. Wasteful manual procedures leading to inefficiency. Efficiency and automation. Streamlined operations through automated processes, improving efficiency. Restricted accessibility. Limited availability or access to documents. Enhanced accessibility. User or department-specific encrypted security access controls. Version control issues. Difficulty in managing and tracking document versions. Effective version management. Utilizing document management software, DMS, for version control enables precise tracking of every document version. Environmental impact. Traditional document storage harms the environment through deforestation and risks paper loss in fires and floods. Storing your files in the cloud eliminates the risk of damage from natural disasters. High costs, elevated expenses, particularly the high cost per square foot of space in metropolitan areas, can be mitigated by storing millions of files in the cloud. Why choose us? Time. We execute the work on time with guaranteed commitment. Quality. We maintain high-quality standards in our work. Expertise. Over 2 decades of extensive expertise. Affordability. Providing cost-effective services with highly competitive pricing. Customer service. We prioritize excellent customer service and support. Convenience. We offer convenience in every aspect of our service. Transparency. We believe in open and transparent communication. Sustainability. We are committed to environmentally sustainable practices. Experience. We have experience in maintaining physical storage. Knowledge, adequate knowledge of keeping digital and physical records. Our services: paper restoration, paper shading, document scanning, wide format or deep size document scanning, OCR, CR, OMR, microfilming, microfiche.